Hi, I'm photographer Craig Bill, and today we're doing an unboxing. A new image of mine called Canyonscape was recently the winner of AdoramaPix's Sunset Challenge. I've already done the test proofs, I've done the print proofs. I even got a small aluminum metal print sample from AdoramaPix, and it looked sublime. So, with the help of AdoramaPix, we are launching the very first limited edition print of this in a 24 by 36 white glossy aluminum metal print. If it turns out anything as nice as the small print, then I definitely will be very happy. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The first thing I know out of the box when it came to me is it may be cardboard box, but you can tell from right here it's really thick on the edges. So that's a big difference because anything else gets kind of crushed in anything else. And I have shipped a lot of artwork. The only thing I do see with this, however, is when it came in, it looks like we've got a breach right there, and I can actually touch the artwork inside. So I'm not sure what we'll find. Hopefully it's not damaged at all. But anyways, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have together here. Get the right tools. These staples can really hurt, so I recommend getting rid of these things immediately out of any package. These things will cause you to wear a band-aid really quick. Yeah, this is nice and thick on the sides. That is really, really awesome. That's definitely something that's nice to have. Actually, every time I've ordered from AdoramaPix, their stuff shows up really fast, so I don't even know where they're shipping from. Where are they from? New York City. And they might as well be right next door because they come in really fast once I get these. Okay, so far, so good. All right, yeah, I don't see any damage at all so far. Yeah, look at this. It's perfect how they put all these on there so that every surface is actually covered and every edge, so that works out really good. And here we have it. Looks like everything is in good shape. Looks good so far. Canyonscape. This is definitely one of the best days of the entire year in Page, Arizona at Horseshoe Bend to take an image. It was just a last minute thing while there was a bunch of rain coming in. There's even a double rainbow behind me, and people are running for their car because it was already starting to rain. Those are always the perfect time to grab your camera and run out because you may get some good images. Bad weather is sometimes good images. Nice gold seals. That's awesome. Oh yeah, nice. Perfect cellophane. Oh yeah, look at this so far too. I love these on the back. These are recessed frames so that you can actually hang these on the wall. As you can tell, they hang off the wall just by about maybe 3/4 of an inch, so it looks like it's floating off the wall. Now you can see still on the back all the framing. They even send the little hanger part here, I call it a cleat. So you put that on the wall and it hangs right on there immediately. So these things truly come out of the box ready to hang, and that's how I like to ship all my artwork worldwide. I like people to wow outside of the box, see the image, and just be able to hang it up immediately without any hassle. In this case, they have sent everything with it that I would need to go ahead and get it and put it on the wall ready to go. So this is the very first print, the very first limited edition of Canyonscape, done in a 24 by 36 white gloss aluminum metal print, and it is fantastic. I'm Craig Bill, photographer, and I'll talk to you again. Well, hi. This is my social media manager. This is Zoe. I'll get right on it.